Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to connect Gmail with Claude AI. As step 1, open connectors. First, click on the plus icon inside Claude. Then click on Connectors, Add Connector. Here you will see different apps and services that can be connected to Claude. Step 2, connect Gmail. Now find Gmail. Click on it and sign in with your Google account. Grant the required permissions and Gmail will be connected to Claude. Step 3, ask Claude to write an email. Now let's ask Claude to write an email. Claude will generate the email for you. Step 4, send through Gmail. Below the response, you will see a Send via Gmail button. When you click on it, Claude will open the email directly in Gmail Drafts. From there, you can edit anything you want, add recipients, attach files, and send the email normally. For more useful tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching and subscribe.